The wiring harness has to be connected to both parts of the Soccerbot, both the control plate and of course the Soccerbot robot itself. So we've got to prepare the ends of the wire further. The first thing we're going to do is to prepare it to go onto the electrical motors. So we need 4 separate contacts, we're going to need 4 separate wires effectively. And we want to split it over about 15 centimetres, 150 millimetres. So the way to do that is to make a small cut at the end between each wire. So that's 3 separate cuts. So hopefully you can just see here, I've got them split there. The 4 wires now are split. And I'm now going to just tear them down over 150 mil. Now, a little tip here, use the cutting mat. The cutting mat has a grid on it, and each one of those squares is 1 centimetre. So if I pull it back 15 squares, that's 15 centimetres. So I'm holding the end of my wire here where it says 20 centimetres. I'm going to pull it back until I get to 35, which is just there. Okay, so I've done one. Now I can do the others down to the same point, which is quite straightforward. There you go. I have now 4 separate wires. And what I want to do is I want to strip the ends of those 4 wires and ready to solder them later on. So to do that, I obviously need a pair of wire strippers. And all I'm going to do is put about 1 centimetre, no more than that, into the wire strippers and just quickly pull, and you're left with the metal wires inside, the metal copper wire, and you're taking off the insulating strip on the outside. So do that 4 times. 2, 3, and 4. And those 4 wires now eventually will go to the electrical motors.